Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a brand new subscription box to share with you guys. It is the Hairstylist Club Box. Look, there's little shears on the side and there's a color brush right there. It is so cute, such a cute box. This was sent to me in PR to review and share with you all from the Hairstylist Club Box. And if you would like to check it out and get one for yourself, if you use the code HCBAP10, you can save $10 off your first box. Anyways, what we all are here to see is the unboxing. So you open it up. Ooh, that is what it looks like. I already have stuff flying out at me. So the first thing I see is the Hairstylist Club Box February edition. Has a card with everything that is in the box, and then it says a little bit about a contest and tag them in videos and whatever else. Alright, so the first thing I see is the thing that flew out at me. It's a little air freshener. It says, keep calm and let me fix your hair. And it's got little hair shears. That's really cute. I want to see what it smells like. That smells like candy. That smells really good. That's hanging up in my truck. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is this little planner for 2020. It says, this is my year. It's just a little organizer. It's got spots for notes. It's got all the calendar months. So I think I'm going to use this to schedule out all of my video planning for you guys. I needed one of these for that, so that came in really handy. The next thing I'm pulling out is a shirt. It's got some hair shears where the X's need to be, or should be, where the X's are, actually, in the X's and O's. I'm definitely going to try this on, so let's just... Oh, look at that. It's a little big. Small was the smallest that they had. They didn't have extra smalls. So it'll work though. I'll wash it and dry it once and it should fit perfect. Okay, next thing in the box, we have a pack of 3 Kitsch Pro No Slip Crocodile clips. I needed some more of these too, so these came at a really good time as well. You get a pack of 3. They're in this nice rose gold kind of color, and they're actually a good quality. They open like that, and then this part actually bends as well, so when you have thicker hair, it'll really help keep everything in. What is this? Stylist in Business Building Beauty Business. The Ultimate Hairstylist Business Plan Workbook. 70% off. If anyone is interested in picking up this workbook, definitely check out this. You can use discount code Hairstylist Club Box for 70% off. And the last thing I see is this canvas picture. It says, chop it like it's hot. That's actually pretty cute. I'm going to hang that up somewhere in here, and it comes with little picture hanger things, so that's really cute. Alright guys, so that was everything in the February Hairstylist Club Box. Again, I want to say a big thank you to them for sending me this. I'm pretty pleased with everything, but I would have liked to have seen more hair tools, you know? There was only really the one hair tool in here, and it was the pack of clips. I love the shirt though. It is super cute. I'm going to use this planner because I needed one. This is also really cute. It's a little canvas. It says chop it like it's hot. And the air freshener smells delicious, so I'm gonna hang it in my truck. So really, I'm going to use everything. Pretty happy. It's a pretty cool new little subscription box made, especially for us hairstylists out there. So yes. I had fun opening this with you. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell and set it to all so you get dinged every time I upload, because who doesn't love when their phone dings at them? And don't forget to use the code HCBAP10 to save $10 off your first box. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope you all have a fabulous day.